you're going to do is you're going to take the small end, place it underneath, and make a little bit of a loop. You're going to turn that loop towards you. No, it's opening! And then put the smaller end through that loop. And then pull it tight. Now what this allows you to do is to cinch it. So that's one. Let's go over here and do this side. We'll do it again. Take two sides, make a loop underneath one, and then twist it towards you, and then put the smaller end through, and tighten up. There, now you can cinch it down, and it'll stay. One more. Yeah. One more. Now you can do more if you want, but I think this one is going to be just fine with 3. The object is not to make it all tight and secure, but just to keep it so that the stuffing doesn't fall out and it doesn't roll over. And 3 accomplishes that, so we should be good. So again, 2 ends. Make a loop under one and bring it towards you. And then take the smaller end and pass it through the hoop. And tighten it. And then cinch it. As mentioned, we're not trying to make it tight because we don't want to squeeze any of the stuffing out. We just want to make it secure. And do want to keep a little bit of string on there, just so it has something to grip to. Cut out the excess, and that's it. Thanks for watching.